Add toothpaste to Coca-Cola and you'll thank me later. You don't need too much, just enough to get things going. After adding the toothpaste, close the bottle tightly. Shake the bottle well until everything is mixed together. Once it's fully combined, grab a container. Carefully pour the Coca-Cola mixture into the container. Be mindful during this step because the mixture will fizz up. Don't let it overflow. Now, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap to the container. Make sure it's a strong dish soap for the best results. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Take a spoon and mix everything thoroughly until it becomes a smooth solution. If these ingredients sound like too much, don't worry. I have listed all of them step by step in the description for you to reference later. Next, take an empty plastic bottle and using a funnel, pour the solution into the bottle. Once the bottle is filled, cap it off with a spray nozzle. And just like that, you have your secret weapon ready. We've all struggled with cleaning a burnt pot at least once. You know, those pots that seem impossible to save after you accidentally left them on the stove for too long. Scrubbing them endlessly feels like a workout, and sometimes not even the best bought cleaners can fix them. With just a little of this homemade cleaner, you can restore even the most burnt pots to their original shine. The abrasives in Coca-Cola, combined with the cleaning power of baking soda and dish soap, work together to lift off all that stubborn grime. Rinse with water and it will look almost brand new.